Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 2. I'm joined by China.
It's cheap and Jayam. Yeah, sometimes. So look, remember coach. Ujo pros this, ujo pros that.
Yeah.
Zona lasers funu kudlala.
Yes, I'm a player.
Zona lasers funu kudlala.
Yeah, va.
Now let's be honest. Let's
Asikhulumeni VAR. Yeah, straight
Let's
VAR.
be honest
Yes,
now. I'm a player kafuna kudlala.
Sure.
Ukuthola opportunity yokubizwa kulama friendly
Yes.
as a player.
Yeah.
It means that upopile.
Yes.
Why ungasibonisa?
Yeah.
Why bafana kumele ihlale behind?
Why
babuya mabedliwa?
Yeah.
Kuqale kuskorwe babuye bazongena egamini.
Yeah.
The first half,
Yeah.
bebebamba ibhola,
Sure.
bagcina ibhola. 2 shots on target, 1 shot on target.
Okay.
1 shot on target.
The
whole 45 minutes. And then you got a second shot second half.
Yeah.
It means it will take 90 minutes for Bafana to get 2 shots on target. Upu coach lap. And then another thing that ends like no, first as is blame.
Yeah.
We can't always blame first.
Sure.
This is sabotage first.
Too much. Aboban.
This is a pirate.
Too much.
Some sabotage. There's a like South Africa.
Yeah.
There's a Sultan. Some sabotage. Look at the ball. Abam supplier yona umahopa. Police supply umahopa amabhola grand. And then police umahopa ashaya ama-shot on target. Then kuzothi umahopa uyashisa kuno Foster. Supply a grand Foster. And then on expect umahopa uFoster uzosupply ngumuremi. Umoremo selfish wasidlelayo.
Yeah, marava.
Then uzothi uFoster akasebenza umnika ama-dead ball. La ubhola bungelonenza next.
No VAR mara.
So exactly untwana ziyamsabotage lezi. Nazi cabanga ukuthi azimbona azifuna ekweleka le idlala esilungwini idlala lapha esingamlini. Hayi EPL play bafuna umbuthuma. Baphileke ngumbuthu bafuna umbuthuma lana. Yeah, zithi umbala kagogo. Umbala kagogo umbala lana. Otherwise lezi sabotage. Yeah, but no, first does not blame too much. Yes, sisters saka score grand even in Europe. But then lapha ekhaya bekwela ungumaster phela ubuya orkandi basic unazo. And then you keep position. Le mahopi ifukuze buye negoal. Zibuye sezinika ama-trumpo. So what's actually happening lana kusabotage uFoster lana? Bambhayizisa. Why uFoster ungamdlalisi no umdlalise nomshishi, umdlalise noApolis. Abantu abadeliver ibhola, abantu abasupply ibhola. Now uzodlalisa uFoster nomremi. Uzolithola kanjani Foster ibhola?
Ngoba ugijima ngalo
yi-1 lize liyophuma. Ugijima ngalo ibhola lize liyophuma. Manje Foster uzodlala kanjani? Then sobuya sithi Foster akekho mnandi. uFoster umnandi mnika ibhola somprove. So at the moment akakathola ibhola and then simprove. Liphela kumuremi. After lidlule kumuremi liphuma ngale kweground. Uqedile umuremi ubambe uYujo Bros ngepace. Untwana selfish, muremu selfish. He pace. But what I like about today's game is that coach ukhonile ukuphera ama-players masesirep ukhonile ukuphera ama-players u-Adams umdlalise noMokwena badlala kwi-Sundowns wadlalisa uRile noMoremi badlala kwi-Pirates wadlalisa a little bit lapha kuma-wings kwi-defense wadlalisa uMutau no-Aubrey Modiba, which is somehow ucoach ukhona lapho bengisithi uyayibona but yangama-players sometimes. And then there yeskhukhuna Ulena yeskhukhuna Ulena hayi kunabantu lapha hayi kunabantu lapha la muntu udlala ama-game angapi la muntu whole season udlala ama-Nedbank ayi-2 ama-game ayi-2 eNedbank ubuye obiza ku-national team. Even Sipho Chain is better than that guy. Uphi uGos? Ugoss supposed to be the second best. Exactly. Or Sipho Chain like Williams. Another thing ezosibulala mase Mexico. Ilando yokuqala ibhola emuva.
The true reflection of the World Cup is just ukuthi
Sipo Chain is just being taught a lesson. Sipo Chain is going to the World Cup. Mark my words. Mark my
ayasala le akunabantu la akunabantu I think uyojo Prosper afuna ukuprove ezinye inkomo la ukuthi niyayibona reason why usala
Yeah, banibonile.
umnike reason now akana reason ulina ubalina lena akana reason ukuthi amene reason uyithola ukuthi why kumele asala uyazibonile naye first game yebafana first cap 2 goals akana clean sheet kwi first cap 45 minutes ayidlalile 2 goals aziconcedile uya World Cup leyo muntu udlala neMexico neSouth Korea ha ucabanga yena uzibona USA uTrump ngamela amxosha ngamela amxosha simfuni.
The true identity of Bafana is that they do not have a clean sheet. Thank you.
And
Umremi yena asalo rambi.
hayi umrema akasala buya unkotha akasale lo murema akasale yena
Alinyama
enhloko la ugijima into engekho lo ya ngathi aboye uba uhlosiholela le yagijima same thing Moremi and Hlosiholela same WhatsApp group umurema akasale unkotha makabuye unkotha makabuye usibisa thini asale usibisi sifuna umbokazi lapha ya noNdamande uchabatsane singabone simbone le plan
Mabhodlela na yasale boy. Ubhodlela umfuni le.
akayi World Cup lo
Ubuziwe na no ubhodlela.
hayi akekho kwakulesi akekho kwakule crew akasali
Actually uyasala.
otherwise it was a better game but ezinye izinto zakhona kusamele sizilungisile and lots still need to be fixed
Umsebenzi mningi my brother.
hayi umsebenzi mningi